Hi there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you best page builder for Shopify. So if you are using Shopify and wanted to create your landing page with Shopify without any coding skill, then you can continue this tutorial. So let's get started. So here the best Shopify fixable page builder by GemPress, and you can build custom landing page with this page builder, and they have over 1000 plus review, almost 2000 review, and very positive. You can see here, and you can start a trial for 10 days, and their packages start from monthly $15. So before no more, we're going to watch their promo video. So let's get started again.
Designing an online store from scratch can be somewhat confusing. You want to design your own high-converting store but really have no technical skills. Because you're running an e-commerce store or you're a solo entrepreneur running a dropshipping business, you're looking for solutions to optimize your website's conversion. Hiring web designers? There's a more reliable way to save you money and free up your time. With GemPages, store setup and design will be turned into a much more flexible process. Forget about coding skills, just drag and drop to fully customize your entire store design any way you want. Build your own store from scratch. Create high-end pixel-perfect designs by dragging and dropping the most selective elements with ease. And again, no coding required. Design killer product pages, landing pages, or even sales pages that will turn your visitors into customers. With a variety of mini apps and boosters already built in, your product page will be designed with psychological triggers that just win sales. Discover the power of GemPages with responsive designs for any screen. Conversion-centered designs with tons of mini apps built in. Choose from a wide variety of high-converting templates designed by experts to fit every industry and every need. Customize and reuse. Optimize your page loading speed with the lazy loading feature. SEO optimization to improve your site's ranking. And even a world-class live chat customer support team who will stay with you in fast turnaround time and deliver the most reliable service ever. Meet the all-in-one do-it-yourself page builder for your business's success. Become your own expert and skyrocket your sales today with GemPages, the feature-rich and conversion-focused page builder.
Okay, so thank you for watching this promo. So now we are going to review the full picture of this app from my own opinion. So we can draw unlimited customization, use third-party application, brand representative. We can create a professional, responsive, and code-free website for customers to learn about our brands. And here the full details. They have already trusted by 15,000 people plus e-commerce seller all around the world. So that is huge and impressive result. And here the highlight picture, capable with all the theme and page type, easy customization with drag and drop interface, integration with 30 plus third-party apps, responsive design for all devices. And here the pricing plan start at monthly 15, professional $29 per month, and advance $59 per month. And you can see all the review from here, and all the review are very positive. And I finally recommend this app for you if you started your online business with Shopify and you have no any coding skill or technical skill. Then you can use this app, And if you need more support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. I am working as Shopify assistant. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you like this video, then click on the subscribe and like button. Have a nice day.